Citi FlexPay is a buy now, pay later feature built directly into eligible Citi credit cards that allows people to split large purchases of $75 or more into fixed monthly installments. Some partnerships like Amazon even allow this for purchases starting at $50. Instead of paying standard revolving interest on a large balance, this tool lets users choose repayment terms typically ranging from 3 to 48 months, depending on the specific merchant and the amount spent. While most credit card debt involves interest that compounds daily, Citi FlexPay usually operates with a fixed monthly fee and no interest, though some offers might feature a fixed APR instead. One of the best parts about this feature is that it does not require a new credit check or a hard pull on a credit report because it is already an integrated part of an existing Citi account. This tool is especially helpful for anyone trying to manage a tight budget. It offers predictability because the monthly payment is fixed and there is a clear date for when the debt will be fully paid off. Unlike using third-party apps like Affirm or Klarna, people using Citi FlexPay still earn their standard card rewards, such as points or cash back, on the full purchase amount immediately. For example, using a Citi Double Cash card would still net that 2% rewards rate on the total price. Additionally, the fixed fee or promotional APR offered is almost always lower than the standard purchase APR on the card, which can often climb as high as 20 to 30%. Integration with major retailers like Amazon and Apple Pay makes it very convenient to select this option right at the checkout screen. There are also no prepayment penalties, so the balance can be paid off early at any time to save on future monthly fees. However, there are some downsides to consider before jumping in. The total purchase amount is immediately deducted from the available credit limit. This means if a person buys a $2,000 item, their available credit drops by that same $2,000, which can spike credit utilization and potentially lower a credit score temporarily. There is also potential for confusion between a monthly fee and an interest rate. A $10 monthly fee might sound small, but on a lower balance, it can actually represent a very high effective interest rate. It is vital to check the total cost of the plan before confirming. Furthermore, the installment is added to the minimum payment due. If someone has multiple plans running at once, that monthly minimum can jump significantly. Eligibility is also strict. Missing a payment or going over a limit can cause the FlexPay option to vanish from the account entirely. It is also important to distinguish this from the Citi Flex Loan. While FlexPay is for specific purchases, the Flex Loan is a way to get cash deposited directly into a bank account using the credit limit, and those loans often come with higher interest rates. Citi FlexPay is a great move for someone who needs to buy a large item now, like an $800 car repair, and cannot pay it off in one go as it will likely be cheaper than 25% interest. It is also a win if a 0% APR offer is available on sites like Amazon or Citi Travel. On the other hand, it is not the right tool for someone looking to build their credit score or someone who can already afford to pay their bill in full, as even a small fee is still an unnecessary cost. If a card already has a 0% introductory APR period, using FlexPay is redundant and could end up costing more in fees. In summary, Citi FlexPay is a useful way to handle larger expenses by turning them into predictable monthly payments without a new credit check and while keeping rewards. However, the biggest risks involve the immediate hit to available credit, which can impact credit scores, and the potential for a high effective cost if the monthly fees are not carefully calculated against the balance. Users must stay mindful of how these installments increase the monthly minimum payment to avoid falling behind.